Welcome, and today I'm making my Indian spice box. Do you know what's in the Indian spice box? I'm gonna show you today. This is coriander, and coriander have a very mild earthy flavors, and it's help you to make your curry little thicker. This is a smoked paprika, and it's give you very barbecue flavor and like smoky wood flavors in your curry. You know, honestly, I used this smoked paprika in everything now. I love to use it. In every Indian household, you have to have a turmeric, and everybody know the health benefits of turmeric, and it's make your curry. It will give you little yellow color to your curry. That's gonna be enough, I guess. And this is green cardamom pods. You can use this in a curry and in a sweet dish too. It has very flowery smell and very aromatic smell. I mean, in India we use this as a mouth freshener as well. I mean, every household have to have this green cardamom pods. This is clove, and we were so lucky last time when we went to India, we visit a farm, spice farm, and we bought some cardamoms and some clove from the farm. And this is have a lots of health benefits also. We believe that if you consume clove every day, it's help your skin make healthier or looks more younger. And this is black pepper. Everybody know black pepper. I'm not gonna tell you about it. And the last, the king of the Indian household, the garam masala. This actually I make at home, and it have lots of spices like cardamom, black pepper, clove, coriander seeds, cumins, a little bit dry chili in it, and I don't know what. So if you want to know how to make a homemade garam masala, let me know in the comments. And I bet that if you will make at home, you're not gonna buy any store-bought garam masala. This is what's go in the Indian spice box, and let me know in the comments how it looks like.